Watch this. Audio please. Nandito yung director, nawala lang ako dyan, nawala ng audio. Hindi na ito, ito pwede mag-spell dito. Yes, sir! Palagi, #1 bro, Billboard. But before yan bro, gusto ko tawagin from Billboard Philippines, COO of MMGI, and Billboard Philippines, Alan Bernisca, and editor-in-chief of Billboard Philippines, Brent Jackson.
Oh my God!
Salika dito, kanta namin bro. I want you to join me here.
Is your Casey here?
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Sobra to.
Casey.
Bonus na to lahat ng to. Wow. Birthday today. Birthday teacher.
Congratulations, Casey and TJ. So this is the first time that we're going to do this because for 2024, Palagi is the #1 song in Billboard Philippines. And tonight, we'd like to give this award to you. So Billboard Philippines proudly presents this certificate to TJ Monterde and Casey Tandingan in recognition for ranking #1 on the Billboard Philippines charts with Palagi. So again, you are the #1 song for 2024 and you topped both the charts, the Philippines Hot 100 and our top Philippine songs. Congratulations to the both.
Eto, quick question. Who here loves TJ and Casey? Eto, this is a very special award because this doesn't just mean you're #1 on Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music in sales. It means all of those things. You're #1 across the board. This is saying that OPM is going different places in the Philippines. Every day, all of you are choosing Filipino music, and TJ and Casey are a representation of that. So thank you TJ and Casey.
Thank you so much. Naging host ako ng show.
Hindi ganito yung in-imagine kong concert.
Concert to. Si TJ sabi, anong next? Ay, Casey, dito ka muna. Dito ka muna.
Ano ba to? Hindi na-imagine mo ngayong gabi, ha?
Masabot sa
pasabot.
Uy, direct, baka mapapropose ka.
Nakakaloka na nag-host ako ng concert ni TJ. Okay! Wait guys, there's more.
Ayan!
Nasaan ba tayo? Ilang araw akong nag-sold out si TJ Monterde sa Aramid. 3 araw. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3. Ang dami nangyari sa 3 araw na yon. Umabot sa pag-uhus ko dito.
Ganun na.
Mas kinabahan akong pumunta dito kaysa mag-direct doon, bro. Tapos sasabihan pa ako na stage manager dito. Stretch. That's the worst. Ano bang hinihintay? Wala akong headset. No, but TJ, sige, stretch daw. Anong naramdaman mo dun sa billboard, bro?
Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, bigay talaga ni Lord to. Walang akin dito, direct. Wala akong maramdaman. Kayo yung nakinig, hindi naman ako yung nakinig eh. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for making palagi #1 sa Billboard. Thank you so much. Kayo po to. Wala akong masabi kundi maraming salamat po.
Alright. Sinabi na sa akin, go na.
Show na talaga to. No?
Sure na to. 3 days sold out concert, bro. Kaya naman tatawagin ko rito si Miss Irene Jose, Chief Operating Officer, and Miss Maria Viena Araneta Forest, Director of Special Projects and Events. Bro, mula sa Araneta Coliseum, and Miss Karen Nicasio, TicketNet General Manager. Ma'am, can you go here, please? Thank you. Oh, here, they're here.
DJ, I'm so happy for you.
Good evening, everyone. TJ, we just wanted to say first and foremost, thank you for inspiring us with your story, with your songs. Maraming salamat. And you deserve all of this, all of what you're having right now. And with that, we would like to present this plaque. This plaque is presented to DJ Monterde in recognition for being the first Filipino solo male artist to stage 3 consecutive sold-out shows for DJ Monterde, Sarili Nating Mundo at the Smart Araneta Coliseum on February 1, 2, and 3, 2025. Presented by Smart Araneta Coliseum this 3rd day of February 2025 in Quezon City, Philippines. Signed by Miss Irene L. Jose, Chief Operating Officer, and Miss Maria Victoria Araneta Forest, Director for Special Events. Thank you and congratulations, DJ. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
My gosh.